So last day we were looking at what happens when you dilute solutions. And I have two formulas that I really like using. M1V1 equals M2V2, where the letter M is the concentration and the V is the volume. The one I prefer the most though, because it helps me isolate the X, the unknown earlier, is to use new concentration equals old volume over new volume times the old concentration. So what we're going to do is try out a few questions, and then I'm going to give you some time to try them out on your own. So what we could do, probably a good idea to highlight the things that are important in here. We've got 20 mils of 0.75 molar hydrogen bromide, and we're going to have a total volume of 90. We can call this M1V1. We've got the M here. So we're going to call this one M1. The word of links the two. So here we have the V1, the V2, and we're going to look for their X. So M1V1 equals M2V2, 0.75 molars times 20.0 milliliters equals X times 90.0 milliliters. If we isolate our X, we get X equals 0.17 molar. Okay, so if we do the old volume and new volume, the new concentration is equal to the old volume, 20 milliliters, over the new volume, 90, times the old concentration, 0.75 molar. And that equals 0.17 molar. Same answer, just slightly quicker. Okay. So in this one, what we have, slightly different question. We have two different pieces of information. Got two solutions added together. So I'm going to label one as A and the other one as B. A couple of things to note is that we now have a total volume. Total volume equals 130 milliliters. So A is equal to 55 milliliters over 130 milliliters times 0.15 molar. And for B, we have 75 milliliters over 130 milliliters times 0.25 molar. We're going to find the quantities for that, and then we're going to add them together and find our final concentration. And we're going to stop for a moment.